Do you find it tough to focus on one thing at a time? Do you feel overwhelmed by the syllabus? Are you good at studying frequently, or you find yourself unable to decide where to begin? The trials of education are many, and unfortunately, studies only become more and more difficult as we progress to higher levels of education. As we are bombarded with more lectures and assignments, with deadlines, we lose ourselves in the academic process. So to help you better deal with your academic workload, here are a few interesting tips for you to overcome your academic challenges and become the best student you can be. I believe in you. The number one tip for you is to set clear goals. Here is a neat trick. Define specific, measurable, achievable, relevant and time-bound aka SMART goals for each study session and your overall academic performance. Having clear objectives will keep you focused. Next is active recall. Use active recall techniques such as flashcards or self-quizzing to test your knowledge. This method has been shown to improve long-term retention. Next, we come to spaced repetition. Spaced repetition is a method of reviewing material at systematic intervals. Implement revising your study material after 1 hour to 10 hours, 1 day, 3 days, and 7 days of reading it initially. This technique helps to reinforce your memory and retention of information. Next, we come to chunking information. Break down complex topics into smaller, manageable chunks. Research indicates that the human brain processes information more effectively when it is organized into meaningful groups. Next, we come to interleaved practice. Mix different topics or subjects with your study sessions, like maths with physics theory or engineering with a fiction book even. Interleaved practice has been shown to enhance long-term learning and problem-solving skills. Teach others. You must have seen this in your school sometime. That studious kid revising topics to their friends before the unit test. Teaching what you have learned to someone else is a powerful method of reinforcing your own understanding. It forces you to articulate complex concepts and identify gaps in your knowledge. Next, use visual aids. Incorporate visual aids like diagrams, charts, mind maps to help you visualize and connect concepts. Visual representation can make abstract ideas more tangible. Next is variety in study environment. Change your study environment occasionally. Studies have shown that reading in different environments stimulates the brain to make more varied memories, hence improving memory retention. Next is regular exercise. Yes, engaging in regular physical activity has been linked to enhanced cognitive function and memory. Include exercise as a part of your routine to boost your brain's performance. A healthy body is equal to a healthy mind. Next, adequate sleep. Prioritize sleep to consolidate your learning and promote optimal cognitive function. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night. And the last one is a no-brainer. Something that our mothers have been saying for I don't know how long, which is a healthy diet. Consume a balanced diet rich in nutrients, especially those that support brain health, such as omega-3, fatty acids, antioxidants, and whole grains. There are only so many tips we can manage to fit into one video. Yes, becoming a 4-point GPA student is a hard task, but not impossible. At the end of the day, you need to remember that you came to a foreign country to study and make a career out of your learnings. So it should be the top priority. So go for it. We know you can do it. Like and share this video, and for more interesting content, subscribe to Leverage Edu. Thanks for watching.